This is in Ecuador, Peru border. You see the area, and we're going to go over here and look at it here. It was 140 kilometers deep, and it was 116 kilometers south of Calora. That was followed by a 5.5 near the coast of Ecuador, and then a 4.6 in central Peru. And we'll look at those on our map, and we're going to see that the 4.6 is central Peru. Which is here. And a 5.6 and 4.6, which was here. You can see that they don't appear to be very populated. And the next quake that hit today, which was of interest, is a 3.0 in Oregon. This doesn't appear to be a very populated area either. Let's see if our little drone guy finds somewhere to go. It does not appear to be. Let me put it as 3D. There's a 3D view. And that's actually near the Duzar State Scenic Corridor. So anyway, guys, there's a little piece of news for those that are keeping an eye on what's going on. Thanks, guys, and have a good day.